Hello students. Welcome back to class. I hope you are ready for today's lesson. This is our second lesson on the topic Energy and Society, Part 2. In the previous class, we learned that energy comes from two main sources: natural sources and man-made sources. These are further classified as renewable and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydro, they are sustainable. While non-renewable energy such as coal, oil, and natural gas, they are limited and harmful to the environment. Energy is essential for industries, transportation, and our daily activities. Let's dive into what we'll be learning today. By the end of this lesson, we would learn the following: energy and development, energy diversification and conservation, environmental impact of energy use, energy crisis. But energy isn't just about what we do, it's about how we grow as a society. Energy and development go hand in hand. Energy drives development in society by job creation and economic growth by supporting industries, which create jobs and economic growth. Advancing healthcare by improving healthcare through modern equipment and better facilities. Powering networks and accessibility by enabling transportation and communication, connecting people and markets. Empowering education by providing power for schools and digital learning tools. Without it, progress slows down. So, how can we use energy wisely? That's where energy diversification and conservation come in. Energy diversification. This refers to the practice of utilizing a variety of energy sources to ensure a stable, reliable, and sustainable energy supply. It helps reduce risks associated with over-reliance on a single source. For example, by combining solar, wind, and fossil fuels to ensure a balanced and reliable energy supply. While energy conservation, it is the practice of using energy efficiently and reducing unnecessary consumption. It helps preserve resources, save money, and minimize environmental impact. How to conserve energy? Use energy-efficient appliances such as LED bulbs, which consume significantly less power, and inverter air conditioners, which adjust compressor speed for greater efficiency. Turn off lights and devices like bulbs and gadgets when not in use to avoid unnecessary energy consumption. Opt for renewable energy sources like solar, wind, or hydropower. These small actions can collectively make a significant impact on energy conservation. However, energy usage has consequences. Environmental impact of energy use are global warming and the greenhouse effect, and oil spillage. Global warming, this occurs when greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, released from burning fossil fuels, trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. This leads to rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather conditions. The second environmental impact of energy use is oil spillage. This refers to the release of oil into the environment, typically in oceans, rivers, or on land. It can harm marine life, ecosystems, and coastal communities. It's clear, we need to use energy responsibly in order to preserve our environment. Finally, let's talk about the energy crisis. An energy crisis, this occurs when the demand for energy exceeds the available supply. This situation impacts industries, households, and overall economic growth. Let's explore the causes and solutions. Causes of energy crisis: overdependence on non-renewable energy sources, rising population and industrial growth, political instability in regions with energy resources. Solutions: invest in renewable energy, promote energy conservation, develop alternative energy technologies. Energy is vital for life and development. But it comes with challenges. By understanding where it comes from and using it wisely, we can build a better and more sustainable future. You have completed this lesson. Congratulations! Copy the following assignments and answer them in your notebook. Make sure to attempt the questions, and don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Let's summarize what we've learned so far. In summary, we have learned energy and development, energy diversification and conservation, environmental impact of energy use, energy crisis. In our next class, we will explore the topic of conversion of energy. I trust you've gained some insights from today's lesson. See you next time. Thank you.